Today we're making granola bars. It's the perfect nutritious snack that's high in protein and made with real ingredients. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, hopefully your favorite cooking channel. Today we're gonna be making granola bars. Super healthy, high in protein granola bars. This is something that my kids love to have like as an after school snack. I like to munch on these after a workout. What I like about them is that they're gluten-free. These granola bars don't have oats, and they usually do have oats. We're gonna be using rice cakes, and because they're kind of prepackaged and already made, you probably have these at home. This really is like a nice shortcut, because then these granola bars come together really, really fast. Number two, they are packed with protein, but we're not gonna be using any protein powders. It's the good stuff. We're gonna be using whole foods. We're gonna be using egg whites and peanut butter. Maybe some of you didn't know, but peanut butter has quite a high amount of protein. We're also gonna be using raisins to sweeten up our granola bars, but you can substitute them for like some dried cranberries, maybe some prunes or some dates. We're gonna be adding a little bit of sugar, and what I really like to do is add sunflower seeds. Again, you can mix and match. You can add chia seeds, flax, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds. You do you, but this is like my favorite combo. The only thing we're missing, I see the salt. You gotta add salt. It kind of zhuzhes up all of the flavors. I'm gonna grab some cinnamon. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the dry ingredients, then mix the wet ingredients, and bake. They're super easy to make. Don't they just look absolutely gorgeous? And the smell, guys, you have to try these. They have this amazing texture. I love these. And the sunflower seeds are just perfect. They're chewy, but kind of crunchy too. The perfect balance of salty and sweet. These are high in fiber, in healthy fats, and in protein without using any of that protein powder. You know, the stuff that comes in bags. These are real, natural ingredients. You gotta try them. If you do, as always, drop me a note in the comment section. I like to store them in these little pieces of parchment paper. I kind of wrap them up and give them to the kids as a snack.